tortoises. Here are the tortoises. They're busy. These animals are called bongos. Look at his stripes and big horns. One, two, three. There's a cheetah sleeping in the shade. You can see it hiding. Here comes a cheetah. Look at the cheetah. What's it doing? Cheetah's pooping. Where's the hyenas? They're looking. They want to go out. I wonder what they see out there. Maybe the trainer's coming with food. Hyena. There she is walking. Spotted hyena. Look how big they are. Let's go to the petting zoo. Who wants my grass? Some goat want it? You want to eat it, Mama Goat? She's gonna eat it. There you go. He's eating. Nice Mama Goat. I like to feed the goats.
Yeah, she's the female. She doesn't have a big, tall, long tail.
Females are white. Oh,
No,
that one, yeah.
This
that
is
one.
the
Okay.
female.
No, that
And
one.
in the back, yeah. Maybe this one is a male, but the long,
Blue one colorful is at the male.
yeah, and the one in the back, she's the female in the back.
Yeah, really go. Oh, see, they bite you. Don't get too close. Crustaceans. These are greater flamingos from. There they are. This is how they eat. Stick their head all the way in the water.
Yeah. These are different kind of flamingos than we have in Florida. Greater flamingos, I think.
The zebras are eating today. It's lunchtime. Look at that. This is the monkey. Check it out. It wants to come across that water and see the people that it's stuck. There's a monkey right there. And more monkeys up in the tree. They have a tight social family structure. Even after 2 years later, wow. Here comes the African elephant.
Oh, he's pissed off.
Uh-oh.
I like that guy.
Here comes a little one. He's trying to go find his mama. African elephant. Your ears are shaped like Africa. Yeah, they like it. They work together. I think it's a pack of elephants. These are the mountain goats. It's precarious up there.
Yeah, but they're made for
It's a big lion. He's washing his paws.
very big and
Big line.